Welcome to Ymax, your intelligent DeFi command center. Let's make DeFi effortless and seamless. We're going to start by making a portfolio. For the following demo, we're going to connect our Kepler wallet. Then let's start by adding initial capital. We'll fund with USDC from our wallet over here, in the Create Portfolio section. In this example, we're depositing 70,000 USDC. We plan to integrate USDT and other assets in the following months. This capital will be routed to Agoric's chain, where you can allocate it across strategies. Next, we'll select where to deposit the USDC. The Ymax dashboard interface shows the positions currently available for you to deposit in. Max, our AI co-pilot, helps you intelligently discover new opportunities and optimize your existing positions when yields or conditions change. The top opportunities highlighted by Max are displayed above all other positions available. Let's double-click to find out the yield evolution and performance to date of the protocol. We're aggregating the most relevant market news about the respective protocol for you to be up to date. Let's pick the rest of our positions, then we'll allocate all of our funds. Now select the desired allocation. For example, here we'll spread USDC out over the positions we selected: Aave v3 Optimism, Beefy, Noble USDN, Aave v3 Avalanche, and Compound on Arbitrum. This is where the magic happens. By moving these sliders, we adjust how much USDC will be deposited in each position. You are seamlessly creating your portfolio with orchestration. Use these sliders to set the percentage of your USDC to allocate to each position. Ymax calculates allocations in real time and displays the estimated APY, volatility, and chain breakdown. With a single signature, click Create Portfolio. Our USDC funds are seamlessly deposited into 5 different positions on 3 different chains across the EVM and Cosmos ecosystems. Save time and orchestrate your capital all with one signature. Feel the relief from fragmented manual DeFi workflows. New opportunities come all the time, and some positions become more interesting than others. Markets shift, yields change. But instead of scrambling, Ymax brings you clarity. At the top of your dashboard, Max, your AI co-pilot, flags high-impact optimization suggestions. Here, Max suggests shifting our compound position on Arbitrum to Aave for a 2% APY boost. 2% higher, that means a 50% increase that you hear about and can take action on immediately. Another optimization shows a yield upgrade by moving Aave positions from BSC to Avalanche. And a third nudges us to rebalance, a drift too wide from our target. Clicking any suggestion brings up the details. Before and after positions, expected APY changes, estimated annual gain, in this case, $258. Max does the math, you make the call. That's portfolio optimization, orchestrated, and Ymax does it on-chain, with transparent execution. There's no hidden batching and no smart contract magic. Over time, your portfolio allocation might be substantially different from your initial strategy. Positions outperform, underperform, or markets simply move. Once again, the Ymax one-click signature helps you immediately get back to your target allocation strategy. So, rebalancing is never a spreadsheet chore. Just hit rebalance. See your current versus target allocations. Then let Max orchestrate the realignment, safely, instantly, cross-chain. New opportunities come all the time, as some positions become more interesting than others. Rebalancing will allow you to always stay within current market trends. So that's it. In a few minutes, we built a multi-chain portfolio, optimized it with real-time suggestions, and rebalanced everything back to strategy. No scripts, no bridges, no hopping between apps, wallets, or spreadsheets. Just one interface, one signature each time. Ymax brings everything together: planning, execution, and strategy into one seamless experience. Whether you're managing $500 or $5 million, This is how DeFi should work. With Ymax, it's always maximum yield, minimum stress.